So welcome ladies and gentlemen to this tutorial of today, and this tutorial is amazing. So this tutorial is coming to you from Tech Knowledge House, okay, by your trainer Masco. So today we're going to do something that is very simple, and I've received so much on my inbox. People want to know the easiest way to install WordPress on localhost, not on the server. So there are two ways to install XAMPP. You can either install it online on your server through your cPanel and through WordPress portal, or you can install it on your local machine also. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to use Windows machine, and we're going to use XAMPP, not WAMP. Because we're using Windows, we're going to download XAMPP, and number two, we're going to download WordPress. So let's go straight and download these two things and show you. The first thing that we're going to download is called XAMPP. Just write the keyword XAMPP, enter. XAMPP, for you to download XAMPP directly, you can go to apachefriends.org, or you can use keyword XAMPP and download it from Apache Friends. So when you're downloading XAMPP, there are several versions of XAMPP. The current version, according to the date this video was shot, is 8.0.30. The previous one was 8.125. The other one was 8.212. Then I will download this XAMPP. It is 64-bit. So I will click on download XAMPP. It will take me to the second tab, where I will need to wait for it to automatically start downloading, or I can click here to start automatic download, or it will take me to another tab too. Here we will click on download the latest version of XAMPP, and here we go. Your download will start automatically after 2-1 tab, and the download is starting. Okay, just like that, and our download is starting. This is XAMPP downloading. Just simple as that. Next thing we're going to download WordPress. So for you to download WordPress, you're going to write WordPress.org, so that we get WordPress from their website. So this is WordPress.org. So on your right side you will get WordPress. Click on get WordPress. It will start downloading WordPress. So just wait for a moment. We're downloading WordPress. Then download and install. Download WordPress. The current version, according to the date this video is was made, is 6.01. So download WordPress. It will start downloading. So we have WordPress downloading, and we have XAMPP downloading. So after all, congratulations, you've downloaded your XAMPP. Here we have XAMPP and we have WordPress. For you to install XAMPP, you will just need to click on the installation of XAMPP. After the installation, this is what we will get. This is XAMPP. This is XAMPP. So this was running. I have to stop it. So after installing, just click next. After installation, this is what you will see. Sorry, I couldn't go through the process because I had already downloaded the control panel XAMPP. So if you are here, I guess some people already have XAMPP, so they just want to know how to install WordPress. So first thing I will do, I will start the Apache. I will start the Apache, and again start MySQL database. So ensure that they are running. I will only start these two, Apache and MySQL. The next thing, is I'm going to create a database. So for me to create a database, I will click open a new tab. Okay, because XAMPP is already running, I will write localhost phpMyAdmin. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a database. It's very simple to create a database. So just write localhost / phpMyAdmin. It will take you to the database portal. So this is a phpMyAdmin. I want to start creating a database. So let's say we are creating our first database, or the database name. How do you want our website to be called, or what is the name of the database? Don't forget, this is very important. So I will click here on my left side, click new. It will give you a raw database name. Okay, because we are in Kenya is in Africa, and we love Kenya, why don't we make a database with the name of our country? So I will name it Kenya. So Kenya is our database name. So come here and just create your database. What is database? Database is just like a container that holds every information and content of your website. Okay, so next, if you go to the left side, the database is made. We have database Kenya. To delete this database, you just click here. Maybe if you want to delete it, just click there and you can drop the database. But as you can see right now, the database Kenya has nothing inside it. We don't have anything inside the database Kenya. Look, it's empty. So I want you to pay close attention. Right now there is nothing. Okay, now step number 2, you remember we downloaded WordPress, and we are actually making a website from the local host, not online. So we need to go and find our WordPress that we downloaded. Where is the WordPress? Here it is, WordPress. I will open the WordPress folder from the downloads. Here is the WordPress. Copy, right click, copy, go straight to local disk C. Here is local disk C. That is where our XAMPP was installed. And if you can see from these folders here, we have XAMPP. After installation, XAMPP will automatically find itself in the installation folder called local disk C. Click on local disk C, then click on XAMPP. Double click on XAMPP. Yes, inside XAMPP here, these are setups. These are WordPress setups. So let us find a folder called htdocs. This is now where we need to drop the folder called WordPress, and we have it here. I have dropped it inside here. So if you're following this process, make sure you right click and paste yours, the WordPress that you copied here. Mine is here. Mine is 6.81. Yours might be a different version, because I guess maybe you're watching this video after. So now, what is the name? Okay, what is the name of our database? So let's go back to our database. Our database name is Kenya. Kenya is the database name. So we need first extract the WordPress. Extract means we want to have a folder. So right click, extract here. As it is extracting, this means that we are extracting it from the folder, from the zipped folder, to use it, and we will rename it to the name of our database. Our database name is Kenya, don't forget that. So we are at 97. Let's wait a bit. It's done. After that, you will see WordPress here. It has been extracted. I will change the name to our database name, which is Kenya. So right click, rename, then Kenya. Okay, Kenya. Ensure the two names are similar. If you used Kenya capital letters from this K, ensure maybe you are changing that. Sorry for that. Number 2, we have Kenya on the database. Our WordPress folder that we downloaded, we extracted it, and from the extraction we changed the name WordPress to Kenya in local disk C, htdoc, local disk C, XAMPP inside htdoc folder. Next step, I will come here. Now this is now the next step to install your WordPress. As you can see, as much as I have changed the name Kenya, we need everything in this folder to be held by the database. So this means if I click on Kenya here, I will be able to see all the setups, everything that is in that folder here. How do you do that? Open a new tab, write localhost. Now it's not localhost phpMyAdmin, just write localhost / Kenya. Now this is now the process of installing WordPress. Remember, it is looking for the word WordPress if the database exists. So let's wait and see. Thank you. Clap for yourself if you are here. If you see this means that you have copied and renamed and placed the WordPress in the correct area and in the correct place. Congratulations. So next step, choose your language. I don't know where you are from. Some are speaking English language, some are speaking all this language, but for me, because this video is done by English, I will select English United States. So, and press continue. The next thing that I'm going to do, the database name is now to set the logins. The next thing that we will do, if you are here, you are in the correct place. Click on let's go. Let's go. Great. Now here is how we start now. We want now to ensure that everything in that folder is coming to the database so that we can have everything running and our website startup running. So in the database name here, okay, it's Kenya. Remember database name. This is the database. So the database name is Kenya. This is the database name. So don't forget. Kenya. Okay. In the username, write root. That is root. Password, don't put anything. Database host, it's localhost because we are using the localhost machine. This means you can make a website without having to log on to the internet. Table prefix WP, that is WordPress. Submit. Then submit. Great. If you are here, clap for yourself. Now we need to run the installation. Run the installation. We're just going step by step till you get to install your WordPress, until we manage this. So in this step now, site title. What is the title of your site? What type of website do you want to make? Here you don't have to follow the database. Okay, you can just write the name of your website. The name of my website is called, let me call my website our capital city. The capital city of Kenya is Nairobi. So Nairobi is very beautiful. So I just want to make a website for Nairobi. Let me tell the world about Nairobi, how the people of Nairobi live, good things about Nairobi. Okay, so I can just name it Nairobi website. Nairobi website. Okay, you can give any name. You don't have to follow mine. I'm just doing that because I am a Kenyan, and in these tutorials, in my tutorials, I love promoting Kenya. That is the country, so I need to do capital letter here. This is not necessary, but this is optional. Then username. Okay, I will give username. Maybe let's give username Kenya. Kenya. Okay, password, just ensure that you do something that is very strong. Okay, let me do password Nairobi, Kenya, and the year 2025. Ensure your password is very strong. Don't do weak password. This is a weak password. A strong password can have @ hash slash this one, @ hash @ hackers are all over. Don't give them space. Ensure you give your site a very strong password. So I've done @ hash Nairobi, Kenya, @ 2025. I'm just showing you because after this I will delete the database. Next, ensure you give people your email. You can contact me on this email. That's my email. Now install WordPress. Here we go. We're waiting. This is the last step. This is the last step. And who knows what is going to happen. Let's wait and see. I just want to tell you that when installing WordPress, follow the process. Sometimes you might get yourself stuck just because of simple thing, and also be wise. And after this tutorial, we will start doing websites. In the next video, we'll start doing website and see, when you're doing website, what do we expect, codes, short ways of doing websites, and different themes, plugins to use, security of your website when it comes to cyberspace and all that. So our website is, I can save this. The next thing and the last thing before we get to our dashboard, we need to log in. You can remember, click here, login. I think you remember your logins, the password you put, and the username. So for me, I just save them on the Google. So I will click here and Kenya. So after inserting Kenya here, my computer always needs security, so I have to put my password, that is Kenya. Now I can log in. Remember me, log in, and our website is, we're going to WordPress dashboard, and here we go. 1, 2. I can even start counting because it is successful. It's done. This is a done deal. We are already in our website dashboard. This is the dashboard. Now in our next video, I will show you on how to set your dashboard and how to work with your dashboard. Thank you very much. This was Technology House, and we are programmers, we are developers, we are men in tech, I tell you. And this one will help you to set. In case you've missed something, just rewind the video and start again and see where the problem was and try to fix it. You can ask me any question down there. I'm ready to answer you. Or in case you want me to do a tutorial on something else concerning technology, I'm very easy. I am a trainer. This is trainer Masco, and a professional trainer. I train schools, colleges, and students, and I'm happy to train the world on how to do on technology. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.